Put in the plywood and cut it into pen slots. Use a focusing column to adjust the focus. Use calipers to measure the size of the pen to be engraved on. Close the enclosure lid. Open LightBurn and select Alpha MK2. Select the rectangle tool on the toolbar to draw a border. Enter the measured width and height of the pen. Toggle the arrow tool. Select the left toolbar and click on the matrix tool. Enter the number of cuts to be made in the X column. Enter the border cut spacing in the X spacing field. Select all the rectangular borders and move them to the appropriate positions. Click Home. Click on Cuts Layers to set the parameters for cutting the plywood. Click the Frame button to determine the processing area. Click Start. Clear the cut rectangle. Place the pen to be engraved into the slot. Moving the laser module for focusing. Close the enclosure lid. Drag the image you want to engrave into LightBurn. Click Trace Image. Rotate the image 90 degrees. Click Cut Layer to set engraving parameters. Select the image and move it to the rectangular frame. Set the image size. Select all rectangles and ungroup them. Select the image and the first rectangle at the same time, and click the center icon. Move the image to the location where it needs to be engraved. Click on Frame to check that the position is aligned with the engraved item. Select the left toolbar and click on the Matrix tool. Enter the number of cuts to be made in the X column. Enter the border cut spacing in the X spacing field. Align the image with the rectangle. Select the picture and click Frame to see the position. Click Start.